A nucleus is a membrane-bound organelle that contains the cell's chromosomes. The nucleus controls and regulates the activities of the cell, the growth and metabolism, and carries the genes, structures that contain the hereditary information. The nucleus is considered to be one of the most important structures of eukaryotic cells as it serves the function of information storage, retrieval, and duplication of genetic information. It is a double membrane-bound organelle that harbors the genetic material in the form of chromatin. The nucleolus is the distinct structure present in the nucleus of eukaryotic cells. It participates in assembling the ribosomes, alteration of transfer RNA, and sensing cellular stress. The nucleolus is composed of RNA and proteins, which form around specific chromosomal regions. The nucleolus also plays a vital role in the making of proteins in the cell.
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum or SER, part of a continuous membrane organelle within the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells, that is involved in the synthesis and storage of lipids, including cholesterol and phospholipids, which are used in the production of new endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum or RER, series of connected flattened sacs, part of a continuous membrane organelle within the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells, that plays a central role in the synthesis of proteins.
Mitochondria is popularly known as the powerhouse of the cell. It is a membrane-bound organelle, but they are membrane-bound with two different membranes. Those membranes function at the purpose of mitochondria, which is essentially to produce energy. Microtubules are fibrous, hollow rods that function primarily to help support and shape the cell. They also function as roads along which organelles can move throughout the cytoplasm. It is composed of a protein called tubulin.
A ribosome is a small organelle involved in the process of making protein, which is called protein synthesis. Protein synthesis is the process all cells use to make proteins, which are responsible for all cell structure and function. Lysosomes break down excess or worn out cell parts. They may be used to destroy viruses and bacteria. Lysosomes work like the digestive system of the cell, serving both to degrade material taken up from outside the cell and to digest obsolete components of the cell itself.
Centrioles. Centrioles are paired barrel-shaped organelles located in the cytoplasm of animal cells near the nuclear envelope. Centrioles are used for animal cells to reproduce. Centrioles play a role in organizing microtubules that serve as the cell's skeletal system. Vacuole. A vacuole is a membrane-bound cell organelle. In animal cells, vacuoles are generally small and help sequester waste products. The vacuole is the storage structure in a cell.
The Golgi apparatus, also known as the Golgi body, is an organelle found in most eukaryotic cells. Part of the endomembrane system in the cytoplasm, it packages proteins into membrane-bound vesicles inside the cell before the vesicles are sent to their destination.
Vesicles. A vesicle is a structure made of fluids or cytoplasm that is enclosed by a lipid bilayer inside or outside of a cell. Exocytosis, endocytosis, and transport of materials within the plasma membrane all produce vesicles.
The cell membrane. The cell membrane, also called the plasma membrane, is found in all cells and separates the interior of the cell from the outside environment. The cell membrane consists of a lipid bilayer that is semi-permeable. The cell membrane regulates the transport of materials entering and exiting the cell. The cell membrane therefore has two functions. First, to be a barrier keeping the constituents of the cell in and unwanted substances out. Second, to be a gate allowing transport into the cell of essential nutrients and movement from the cell of waste products.
Cytoplasm is the gel-like fluid inside the cell. It is the medium for chemical reaction. It provides a platform upon which other organelles can operate within the cell. All of the functions for cell expansion, growth, and replication are carried out in the cytoplasm of a cell.